again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I have got a Gelbox. Very spooky box. What do you think, guys? Halloween contents or what? Got to have Halloween contents with a box like that, hasn't it? So this is Gelbox's October monthly sub box. You can buy these as a one-off. I think it works out cheaper if you get them on a monthly subscription. And I think they do sell some of the gels separately now. I've got a discount code. It'll all be in my description box, so go and check them out. So let's see what we got for October. So let's have a nosy at what we got. Let me just clear some of this off. So we've got your usual card. That's their website, and this is their sister brand as well if you want to check them out. So that's your little practice card. You can write down what you need. Oh, what we got? What's this? Pumpkin spice and apple cider. Nothing is more nostalgic than the joy of belonging in your presence. Okay, that's very autumn vibes, isn't it? Alright. Oh, we've got something here. What's this? Right, so this looks like this month's tutorial. You always get a vinyl sticker, and this is the tutorial that you have to recreate. Everything you need to recreate this design should and will be in this box. So this is what we've got this month. Oh wow, got a teeny tiny little pumpkin there, and that looks like the moon. Skulls. Oh wow, I like it. What have we got in here? What is it? Oh, there's a few things in here. Right, we've got a charm. Oh, let's have a look. Right, let me move this off to the side. Oh, I thought it was one charm with a chain, so it's not. Oh, has it got a knot in it? No, it's just twisted. So we've got a little charm thing that you could put on a chain. So that is what is on the pinky there, look. This is cool. Different, I like it. Got something else in here. So we've got some little red roses. I like that, they're all different sizes. So we've got large, medium, and we've got small ones. So this is a little magnet. Definitely got magnetic gels. What's going on with my lighting? Hang on a minute, guys. Right, so yes, we've got some little roses. All different sizes. I like the colour of them. Right, okay. Guys, look at this packaging. I love it. We've got some sweets. I love blackjacks and fruit salads. They do make your tongue black, but they're very nice. Oh, we've got another sticker. What's this one? Is that a sticker? Can't tell what that is. Right, I think this is one of the... Is this decals or stickers? I'm not too sure. I will have to double check, but I think this might be one of the little nail art stencils. So you paint, you trace these with your gel polish. You paint on them, and then you can peel it off and stick it onto the nails. I think this might be one of the little stencils that you paint over. It's definitely not stickers or decals. You put a base coat down, and then you paint just like you would do on the nail. Cure it on this paper, and then you can peel it up like a sticker and stick it onto the nail. So I think it is a little nail art stencil. I don't know if any of you have seen them dotting around on TikTok at the minute, but yeah, a lot of people are using these on TikTok. I think that is what that is. I'm so sorry about my camera today, guys. I've no clue what's going on with this. This is terrible. And we've got a little nail art brush as well that makes me think it's a stencil. Teeny tiny little dot of a brush. Right, we've got a cuticle oil. Oh, it smells spicy. I like the smell of that. We have got grunge gel. What is grunge gel? I'm very curious. I need to go on their Instagram or something to find out what all this is. Oh right, I think it's gypsum gel. I'm not going to touch it with my fingers, but by looking at the texture, It looks like the gypsum gel type stuff. Like the textured gel paint stuff. Okay. I don't like going on their Instagram and having a nosy because it spoils it. So that's why I'm not up to date as to what it is. Because I've not had a nosy this month. I've been a good girl. Cool, I like that. It's different. Another sweet. Right, and I think all what's left now is the gels. I always say it. The star of the show. Oh, with no swatch pop things on the top. I don't know if they've stopped doing them or if... Yeah, I'm not sure what that's about. Right, so for those of you that are new, Gelbox gels are a massive 20ml bottle. And they are all HEMA free now as well, which is fantastic. So let's see what we got. Black Ombre, 50%. What's that? Black Ombre, 50%. I'm not sure what this is, guys. I don't know if that's the name of it. Or if it's something else. I'm not sure. Right, we've got Brudger. Whatever that means. Oh, this is nice. Right, so this is like a deep red. And it's got a cute, tiny little shimmer through it. That's very, very pretty. I love Gelbox gels. Fantastic quality gels, guys. Then we have got Sanctuary, which is a green. It's like a pine tree kind of green. Right. And lastly, we have got Full Moon. Right, so this looks like it's a cat eye. Oh, wow, it looks very pretty. It's silvery, but it's got a purple tint to it. I can see it's got a purple shimmer in there. Right, let me get some swatch sticks out and we'll get these swatched. Right, I've got my swatch sticks ready. So I'm just going to swatch them in the order that I showed you. Black Ombre, 50%. Right, they've obviously provided the black for the cat eye, so we'll do it in that order. Yeah, I think it's just a sheer kind of black they've provided to go under the cat eye, because cat eye, these kind of cat eyes need to go over a dark coloured base. So yeah, I think that's what this is for. Maybe to go under the cat eye. So, because it is a little bit sheer. Can you see? No. Right, I'm just going to stick this black in the lamp and we'll stick the cat eye over it. Right, so the cat eye again was called Full Moon. So I'm just going to completely cover the black with the cat eye. Just have a little play for a minute. Yeah, so it's definitely a cat eye. Look at this. Very pretty. I will say I'm not very keen on that magnet. It's difficult for me to hold on to. I'm not a fan of the magnet. It does work, it does the job. I just prefer these with a handle. Yeah, it just works so much better. Look at that. Oh, sugar. That's frightened me, that did. Yeah, it's got greeny purple in it. It's very, very pretty. Shall we cheat and do a black hole? Oh, wow. That's cool. Right, I'm just going to stick that in the lamp. Right, and whilst that's curing, let's swatch the last two. Brudger. So this is like the red with the shimmer. This is very pretty. I love Gelbox gel polishes. They are excellent, excellent quality. They're quite a thin gel. I find them to be quite a thin gel. But they're always just really, really opaque, creamy, beautiful to work with. Really good for nail art. That's very nice. The camera's just not going to pick up how pretty this is. It's very nice. Really subtle shimmer. Almost makes it look metallic, doesn't it? Let's stick it in the lamp. And lastly, we've got Sanctuary, which was the green, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't have a green like this off Gelbox, so I definitely needed a green like this for my collection. Yeah, they're gels, they just paint on beautifully. They really, really do. Yeah, it's just like a pine tree green. The camera's showing it a little darker than what I'm seeing. It is a little bit lighter than that. Should we just put some of this on a nail just so we can get a feel for it? Right, I've just got a little brush here out of a old gel kit. I'm not going to paint a full cover or anything. I just want to get a feel for the texture. This stuff's going to be brilliant for Christmas, because you could make a nail that looks like snow. Yeah, it's just like a gypsum gel. It's just a textured gel. Yeah, it's just a textured gel, like a gypsum gel. That'd be cool for Christmas. Snow. I like that. That's definitely going to be getting pulled out at Christmas time. And guys, if any of you that do buy these monthly boxes and you do the tutorial, tag me in them. I'd love to see them, because a lot of the time I don't get time to do the tutorials. But yeah, if any of you guys that purchase these boxes do the tutorial, or if you twist it up a bit and do your own thing, whatever it may be, tag me, because yeah, I'd love to see the kind of stuff that you all come up with using these products. So I'm just going to get these top coated, and then we'll have a quick recap on the colours and everything that came in the box. So that's them all swatched. I do like this red. I really, really like that. And that's the cat eye with the black underneath it. It has got a little bit of a green and a purple in there. The camera's struggling to show it. You can see it slightly there, green and purple going through it. It's really, really smart. And then yeah, that's that texture gel. That's definitely getting pulled out at Christmas time. I love that. And yeah, we've got the pine green. It's a little bit lighter than what the camera's showing. So that's what we've got in this month's box. So quick recap of everything that came in this month's box. So that's the tutorial there. Let's have a look what we got. Yeah, I think these leaves and stuff could be done using the texture gel maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure how they've done that. But I'm actually very curious to use one of these little stencil template thingies. I have seen people using them and they're very, very easy to use. Very beginner friendly. I do like the concept of these, so we're going to have to give that a go. We really are. And yeah, try the tutorial or try something similar. So that's the gels and the grunge gel. And that's the colours. Yeah, I'd love to see what you guys come up with. If you're using the template, or you're doing this, or you're putting your own spin on things. Yeah, whatever you do, tag me. Let me see. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave my discount code and link to the website below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.